Okay, today is the 6th of July 2005. The time is 3:45 p.m. We're in an interview room at the Nerang Police Station. My name's Detective Sergeant Tracy Patricia Barnes from the Regional CLB and my registered number is 5108.
My full name is Mark Ian Wright. I'm a Detective Senior Constable of Police. My registered number is 7007 and I'm from Richard CLB.
Brett, can you just state your full name, thanks?
Brett Cowan.
What's your date of birth, Brett?
18969.
And your current address?
82 Bonnie Doon Road, Ukai. 2484.
Where were you born, Brett?
Bunbury, Western Australia.
Brett, as I explained to you, we're currently investigating the disappearance of a young boy called Daniel Morcombe. He was abducted from the side of the Nambour Connection Road on the 7th of the 12th, 2003. You clear on what I want to talk to you about?
Yes.
You've previously been interviewed by detectives involved in that investigation, is that correct?
Yes, I have.
All right. You're here today of your own free will? You've attended the station on your own here?
Yes.
All right, you understand that you're not under arrest, so you're free to leave at any time should you wish to. Before I ask any questions, I must tell you that you have the right to remain silent. This means that you don't have to say anything or answer any question or make any statement unless you wish to do so. However, if you do say something or make any statement, it will be recorded here on the tapes and will later be given in evidence. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you understand also that you have the right to telephone a friend, relative or solicitor and speak to them and have them present whilst you're being questioned? If you wish to do that, we can wait a reasonable time for you to do. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Anyone you need to have here with you?
No.
Okay, if there's anything you don't understand whilst I'm talking to you about this, just let me know and I'll clarify it for you. Can you just cast your mind back to the 7th of the 12th and get that time right? Yeah. And just tell me what you were doing on the 7th of the 12th, which is a Sunday. Where were you living at that time, if we just start with that?
73A Elks Pinch Road.
Right, and just if you can... Yeah, at Biwa. Okay, so if you can just go through what you remember about it, that'd be good.
I was home all day, working in the garden in the afternoons, or in the morning and the afternoons, cutting down some trees, tidying up my gardens. I rang my boss's father up around lunchtime, asked him if I could borrow his mulcher, so I could mulch what I'd cut off the trees and everything. Not 100% sure on the time that I left home to go up there and pick it up. After 1, I think. And went up there, picked it up, more or less went straight in. Was there for about 10 minutes talking before I loaded it. Loaded it in, tied it in, and then left and went straight home.
Right, and where did you have to go to pick it up?
To Nambour, to Cowan Road, Nambour.
Right, how long do you estimate it would take you to drive from your home address to where you went to pick up the mulcher?
It's approximately half an hour, 45 minutes. Half an hour to 45 minutes.
Half an hour to 45 minutes?
Depending on the traffic.
Being a Sunday, do you think it would have been closer to the 30 or...
Yeah, it would have been closer to the 30 to 45.
Okay, so you drove there. How long do you reckon you were there?
All up.
So you reckon just after 1?
Yeah, it was...
So say it takes...
Would have been 1:30 at like 1:30.
When you got there?
No, when I left home.
All right.
I'm not 100% sure on the time that I left home anyway.
And how long do you estimate you were there? 10 to 12 minutes, you said, Joe?
10 to 15 minutes.
And then say, to be safe, so we said 40 minutes to get there, yep. 15 minutes there, 40 minutes to get home.
Yep.
So we're looking at 95.
Yep.
So about an hour and a half. So say you left at 1:30, you're home about 3.
Yep.
You left at 1, you're home about 2:30.
2:30. Yep.
All right. Did you see a young boy standing under the Kill Mountain Road overpass?
I didn't see anybody standing there.
Right. Did you see any cars or did you notice anything unusual?
No.
So if you left at 2:30, if you left at 1:30, 2:33, you're home at 3. 2:30. Right. Okay, and when when you've previously spoken to, you've consented to having your car examined and to giving DNA and that sort of thing. At this time, we're talking about December 2003, you're involved with the church up there, is that right?
No.
No?
I was going to the church there, but I hadn't been going for quite a while.
Which church are you talking about?
Christian Outreach Centre.
Is that the one behind the Kill Mountain Road over past it? So you didn't go to church that day?
No.
Right.
I think Tracy might have gone in the morning.
Right. That's your ex-wife?
No, I don't think she did actually. She was at home.
Can you recall the phone number that you had connected to your house at Ellis Pinch Road?
5494 0358.
What about 0328?
28, yeah.
Right. We've conducted analysis on that phone.
Yep.
There was a phone call made at 8:51 in the morning
Yep.
to a fellow called Andrew Stevens. Do you know him?
Yes. I think. Andrew Stevens.
I've got his number here, 54390409.
5439.
It's a Sunshine case number.
I'm not 100% on that.
That was at 8:51 in the morning.
Yeah, not sure.
Not sure. Right. The next call was made at 12:50, which is 10 to 1, where you call Frank Davis.
Yep.
Right, so that's 10 to 1.
10 to 1, yep.
Right, so that's prompted you, like, do you know, can you tell me, did you call him, then did you go straight away?
More or less.
So it's probably about like 1 o'clock that you left home, if it was 10 minutes.
Yep.
And there's one at 8 minutes past 6 that night to Clayton's Towing.
Yep.
Yeah? You were working for Clayton's at the time, were you?
Yeah.
So... Do you know, did you have a mobile phone with you in the car as you were driving up to Frank's place?
Kept my mobile phone with me.
What's that number?
0428 177, no. 0427 117 484.
Sorry, 042?
7
Yeah.
117
Yeah.
484.
484.
0427 115. Yeah.
Did your wife have a...
Yeah, 0416 117 484.
0416?
Yep, same as the other.
117 484.
Yep, yeah, it's still connected.
Still can't. Do you know if you called your wife from your mobile after you've left the house that day?
I don't think I did. I don't think I called anybody.
You don't think you called anybody?
No. Not from like when I went to pick up the mulch and I got on that.
Yeah, there was a call made. There was a call made from your landline. Oh, it might be on here. Yeah. Yeah, this phone number 0427 117 484 called your home number at 12:58. Keeping in mind 12:50, your home rang Davies, and at 12:58, your mobile rang your home number. So would you say you were on the road by then, or?
Yeah, would have had.
So that's clarifying. Basically, you're on the road at 12:58.
Yep.
And that was the phone number that he had. He was using that, but it was in Tracy's note. Right, so you're saying, yeah, you were on the road at 1 o'clock.
Yep.
Right, so it's most likely you arrived home at 2:30, yeah? Hour and a half, 90, we've worked out about 90-minute round trip by the time it took to talk to the people and pick it up. What happened when you got home?
Just got straight into mulching up the trees.
Mm-hmm.
After I finished, cleaned up, had a shower and stayed home.
Did anyone help you do the mulching or anything?
No, the next door neighbours heard it.
Yeah?
It was a petrol one. Both next door neighbours heard it, and I think Eric, the landlord's son, might have come outside.
Oh, okay.
He actually came over later on when I was starting to finish up and was over there having a look and that.
Oh, okay, so he came over and spoke to you afterwards.